What's up, guys? Today I'm working on my buddy's 1986 basically Toyota Tacoma, but it's a Toyota truck or pickup, whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to take off the bed. He's having I think he has a leak in his fuel pump seal, and the fuel pump is wired incorrectly, so it stays on all the time. So in doing so, we're going to take all this stuff off. We're going to take it all up. And yeah, I'm just gonna take some of the bolts out, and there's my buddy right now. So I'll see you guys whenever we start taking that shit off.
Oh, it is a two-piece drive shaft.
I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing. You're not gonna be pushing big enough power to make that a problem. So.
Yeah, you're right.
So one of the bed bolts on this thing is missing, and the other one is just like so loose it's hard to even get anything on it.
Put it back when they took off the bed.
That might actually be an actual bed bolt. It's one of those ones where it's like it's tensioned to the bed so hard that it doesn't slip.
Fuck.
Let me give it a shot. The ones in the back I think will be easier to access but hard to take off. This one's easy to access but it's hard to, it's hard to even get something on it.
Honestly, if I could just hold this here and get my impact, wow, that might work. Just need an extension, probably.
Do you have a 3/8 extension? Or no, it's 1/2 inch. 3/8 is the other one. Because I would if we were at my house, but I don't bring anything other than my tools with me. I'm like, the only extension I got is this one. So.
Fucking water.
Oh, I know. It's been in the eye like 5 times.
This could be difficult. Try to hold it in an awkward position. Unless I just.
Let me see it. Let me take a crack at it.
Hibbity bibbity.
Let me take a crack at it, big dog.
Hibbity bibbity. Hibbity bibbity. Hibbity bibbity.
I'm trying to get like the.
You gotta keep your hands like this. It's weird.
Well, I'm trying to get this piece on like the back of it, but I can't get it because of the way the bolt is. God.
No.
Got that good crusty dust.
I have some glasses if you want to borrow them.
I had some, I just didn't bring them. Yeah, sure. Fuck.
I got that piss vision glasses.
No, I like those. They make everything look happy.
It's like I'm watching, I'm living in a Fast and Furious movie.
Yeah, there's an arrow.
Fuck off.
On the gun. Alright.
I will tell you how to live your life.
Joker! I'm Justice.
Where are the codes? Where are the codes?
Where are the launch codes?
You're the one here wearing a bad costume.
Never catch me, bat fuck. Here's your bed bolt. There's one. Now, the top one's gonna be the one that's hard.
You got to reverse it the other way?
No, it's just there's no way to grab the top to keep them spinning.
Toyota, more like Toy Schmoda.
Can you like get on the bolt?
Just ease her off.
Well, I was trying to get the socket's not wanting to get on the bolt. This not a star socket? What the fuck? Oh. Do you have deep well?
Yeah, I do.
Deep well 17?
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Got my piss fishing.
Yeah. Piss fishing. Alright.
Oh! No, I didn't get it.
Yeah, that was not smart. That was not smart of you.
It's not even my phone.
That's even less smart of
Keep
you.
bringing your flies down.
I don't give a fuck. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Piece of shit.
You get it?
All I gotta say for myself is gay.
Yeah? You're gay? You're missing the ear part?
I'm gonna finish the sentence. Finish the sentence.
I was gonna go to work, but then I got high. I was gonna clean my room, but then I got high. Da, da, da.
That's your bumper.
And I know why.
They welded your bumper thing
Buddy,
to the
you're a really small
frame.
dog that looks like Macy.
No, we'll undo it, Harley.
Pause.
I'm about to say, is that the M series?
No, it's not. It's actually very quiet.
Well, yeah, because it's a luxury car.
Hey. I think there's bolts holding that on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, look it right there.
Yeah?
Right there on the side.
There's
That
bolts
shit.
holding
That-
the bolts.
Well, yeah, but then there's this
Oh, the
one.
little thing's hanging. I'll just put a diffuser right there. I'll have little I'll make a bar and I'll weld little triangles onto it. Custom diffuser.
Hey, Tyler, how about you stop being gay and stop liking Subaru?
Yeah, actually I agree with him.
Stop making cereal?
Hey, quit eating cereal, you fucking fuck.
I don't even need cereal.
Then how the fuck you so fat?
Damn, bro.
I don't care.
Yeah, I weigh 190 pounds.
Andy's short.
It's
Right?
the last time I weighed
Andy's
my-
not smart. Holy shit, Brandon! The things just keep stacking up against you. If you go bald, it's gonna be like a trifecta.
I got a big cock. That's how I make up. That's how I make up for it, boys.
Inverted isn't
No.
big, Brandon.
Inverted isn't big. That was good. Oh, fuck. Oh. This is when swivel sockets are like your best friend.
I have some.
Still
You have some
Brandon's
swivel
keys
sockets?
and
Yeah, but it's probably not the size we
Hey,
need.
Brandon, can I get your keys so we
Oh.
can leave?
No.
You a bitch.
What?
It's like,
What?
You talking about me?
You
Yeah.
got homework to do.
yeah, you have homework to do, yeah.
Just don't suck.
Dude, Mr. King's class fucking sucks. I'm so glad he actually put in grades for once, though, because I have an 89 now.
You're taking King's class as a junior?
Yeah, freak out.
What a loser.
No, I'm taking Hayes' class as a junior. I'll take something after that. I don't know.
Yeah, fuck Hayes' class. He's a bitch.
Hayes's?
Hayes is a bitch.
Dude, everyone in there has like so many like good grades.
I'm gonna tell him, and he's gonna see this
Yeah,
video, and
but
you're
you
gonna get in
get like a
trouble.
test every week.
It's like
Well, not a test, more like a quiz, but still.
yeah.
It's still a
Damn,
bitch.
boy, I got some hairy legs.
Let's not.
It's about to turn up a different video.
Oh no, step bro. I'm stuck underneath your car.
About to go in for the kill in public.
Surprisingly, this one was really easy.
You did it all by hand too, yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Yo, mama.
That's so. What? Okay.
Got some Toyota engineering.
No, it's not. I don't even think it's Toyota shit. I think it's just some redneck engineering.
I want to see what you're talking about.
It's just like it's like a slug, but it's not. It's just chilling on your bed. I don't know what it is. Maybe they patched. I think they patched a hole. That's what it is.
I like how they painted underneath everything.
I mean, yeah, that's the smartest thing to do. When you first get a truck like this, you should always paint underneath it first, so that way it doesn't,
Rust out, yeah.
that the M? Nope.
No, they pulled into Mrs. Carpenter's driveway.
Oh no. Here's a bolt.
I'm keeping these all in my pocket because they're all the same size.
Yep. This one should be easy. That's like the end. Like it backed off really well to the very end because you know it's rusted. At
Yeah.
the very tip, so it's just like, nah. All progress you have is halted. I think I worked on my forearms. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
I got the fucking the breakaway strength in my fingers of a ratchet.
By the way, thank you very much for coming and helping me out with this.
No problem.
I don't feel like I'm really doing any of the work on my own truck, but
It's fine. If you want to, I can let you do it. I'm just using.
I want to kind of get the other side.
Oh, that's fine.
That's what I was hoping for, but I thought we were both going to go into that, but we only have enough tools to do it one
Yeah,
time.
because I don't have a 17.
Yeah.
Well, I have a 17 socket. I just don't have a 17 wrench.
I really like this bed that's on here because there's also another version of the long bed that was a Japanese exclusive that did come in America, so it's not really exclusive. Yeah, have you ever seen the ones with the beds where the railings on it's built into the bed and it like curves inward from the outside?
No.
Well, there's ones that have bed rails and I
hate bed rails.
This one's called a Cali. I think it's called the Cali Special, and it basically I can put 8-inch wheels and tuck them under there without a problem. Apparently.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna end this video here because I have like an hour's worth of footage, and I don't think any of you guys want to sit through an hour-long video. So I'm gonna end it here, and I'm gonna split up the videos over the next coming weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See ya.